Hi, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free label on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supplies needs. Today we're looking at this HP CM1312. The problem we're having is when they're using the document feeder, it's leaving lines with smudges on the papers. So what we're going to do is open it up. And as you can notice that there's two glass pieces. One's for the skin bay, and one's for the document feeder. So we're just going to clean it off. We're going to use a lint-free rag and glass cleaner. We're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the lint-free rag itself, not on the printer. I'm just going to clean it off. Once it looks nice and clean, close it up. At this point we will run test pages through it. Make sure there's no lines or smudges on the pages. If there are lines or smudges, we will repeat the process until it looks great.